Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all of my top favorite body skincare products under $15. Because trust me when I say you don't need to spend a ton of money to have good skincare. I do think a lot of people tend to neglect their skincare on their body. Skincare you do for your body should be just as important as the skincare you do for your face. Your body is literally your home, so if you are not taking care of it, what are you doing? And your skin is your body's biggest organ, so taking care of it on the entire body is very, very important. This is also especially going to help if you tend to have those little bumps on the arms or legs, also known as keratosis pilaris. I'm going to be sharing tips about how I got rid of the bumps on my arms and how I got my skin to be incredibly soft and smooth. And you guys already know how much I love to share my big sis tips and tricks, so this is not just going to be me talking about products. It's going to be me sharing tips that actually help you implement and use these products in the best way possible. I'm going to be sharing how to shave correctly, how to moisturize correctly, because you would be surprised how many people moisturize their skin the wrong way. And of course, I'm going to be sharing tips on how to smell good. So grab a snack, grab a beverage, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. We are going to start off in the shower because, as you know, smelling good always starts in the shower, and your body care literally starts in the shower. So I want to give a shout out to some of my favorite body washes of all time that are super affordable. If you've seen my other videos, you know how much I love the brand Cremo. Oh my gosh, I love so many of their body washes. Their vintage suede one was the first one I ever tried, and that one legitimately smelled like a Tom Ford cologne. I think it was inspired by a Tom Ford cologne. It smells so incredibly expensive and rich. It just transports you into a different tax bracket. Best part about Cremo is that all of these body washes are either on Amazon or at Target. And this one is the newest one that I fell in love with. This is their White Jasmine Amber Body Wash. And guess what? This smells exactly like the viral perfume Baccarat Rouge 540. Now, I love that scent so much, and I feel like it's truly such a beautiful scent. And the way this body wash perfectly encapsulates how that perfume smells is absolutely wild to me. I literally use this every single morning in the shower, and it just smells so incredible. It says it has notes of white jasmine, red currant, and sweet amber. I love anything with amber. I just feel like it gives you such a sexy vibe. If you are a fan of the perfume Glossier You, this one right here, this is one of my favorite perfumes of all time. It just is the most beautiful skin-like scent. Cremo has another body wash that smells exactly like this perfume. I actually don't have that body wash on me because I left it at my mom's house, but I will include a picture of it here, and of course I'm going to link everything I talk about in the description box below. It smells exactly like this. If you have any of these perfumes and you want a body wash that smells exactly like those perfumes, you know where to go. Another body wash I have been loving lately from one of my favorite drugstore brands, one of my favorite brands from Target, is Frenchie's Palo Santo Sage Body Wash. I love their entire Palo Santo line, which I'll talk about in a bit, but the Palo Santo scent is so good. If you love something that's super clean and fresh and woody, I highly recommend you try this out. Not only will you love this one, your man will love it too, because it's just such a beautiful unisex scent. When you buy this, based on girl math, you're actually saving money. I also love that they have incredible ingredients. It's infused with oat extract and niacinamide. If you are shaving your arms and legs, you need a shave oil instead of a shave cream. This has been the best life change I have made. Shave oils just make your skin feel so much more nourished and soft, and you don't get ingrown hairs when you use a shave oil. I feel like when I was using shaving cream, I was just getting little bumps on my skin all the time after shaving and not understanding why, but oils genuinely make your skin feel a lot softer and more nourished. This is one of my favorite ones. This is the EOS Vanilla Cashmere Shave Oil. If you love their vanilla cashmere body lotion, it is absolutely a no-brainer you need this shave oil. They also have very similar ingredients with shea butter, cocoa butter, and argan butter. It smells like a vanilla cupcake just like the lotion does. Also, besties, when you are shaving, remember to go against the grain of the hair. So you want to go the opposite direction of the hair and take slow, long strides. You don't want to rush your shaving process because that can also cause cuts and ingrown hairs, which we do not want. One of my favorite body lotions that I just tried, and I can't believe I didn't know about this one before, is the Dove Brown Sugar and Coconut Butter Body Scrub. First of all, it just looks like a dessert. It also makes you smell like a dessert. If you love sweet scents or vanilla scents, you probably also love brown sugar scents. That's just the way it goes. This makes your skin feel so incredibly soft and smooth. Using a body scrub before you shave is the best thing to do because what it does is it gets rid of any dead skin that's kind of sitting on the surface of your skin so that when you go to shave, you get a much softer shave, and that's how you prevent ingrown hairs. You don't have to spend a ton of money on an expensive body scrub because this one will do just fine, and I think this is $6. I like to use a body scrub 2 to 3 times a week, and it just keeps my skin feeling so soft. This is a physical exfoliator because when you feel it, it's going to be grainy. That's what helps really get rid of that dead skin clogging up the pores. Your shower is going to smell so good when you use both of these. Another body scrub I really like that I also got at Target, it's the Versed Buff It Out AHA Exfoliating Body Scrub. And the reason this is good is because it has alpha hydroxy acids. What this means, it has physical and chemical exfoliants, so it's going to be working extra hard to make your skin feel incredibly smooth. Also, the best thing about using any kind of products with AHAs on your body, if you have any hyperpigmentation on your body, such as darker underarms or darker knees, if you do want to help brighten that area a little bit, this stuff is absolutely amazing. My problem area is always my elbows. Growing up, I never did anything to exfoliate them. Using body scrubs with AHAs can really help to brighten certain areas of hyperpigmentation. Also, if you do have keratosis pilaris, chicken skin, strawberry skin, this is going to help so much because not only is it going to physically exfoliate, it's also going to go deeper into your skin to help fight those bumps. I actually checked online and this is $9.99 on Amazon right now. I'm not sure if it will be at the time of me posting this video, but I'm gonna link it either way. Okay, besties, now after your shower, you know you need to be moisturizing your skin every single time. The best technique to moisturize your skin is putting it on damp skin right after your shower. You don't want to be drying your skin off completely. When your skin still has water on it, that's when it's going to absorb the most moisture. So that is the best time to put on your body lotions, creams. There are a couple special body lotions that I have been loving lately, and I'm sure some of you already know what's coming. EOS, which is the correct way to say it, I actually got that from the brand, has had such a resurgence lately. It's absolutely insane. Everybody is going crazy over their body lotions, and for good reason. The vanilla cashmere one, I can't say enough good things about it. It literally smells like a vanilla cupcake with buttercream icing. This is one of those lotions that does make you smell edible. A lot of people don't like that, but I personally love it because I want to smell like a snack. This lotion is also incredible for layering all my vanilla perfumes on top of. I feel like it just brings out that vanilla scent so perfectly. So if you have any vanilla perfumes and you want them to last longer, remember to do my perfume sandwich method and use this as the base. I have a whole nother video on that. I will link it up here. That is the best way to get your perfumes to last all day on the skin. I also love their Fresh and Cozy scent, and I have to say this is the one I've been using a lot more, even more than the vanilla one lately, because I don't know what it is. It just genuinely makes me feel super clean right after my shower. This basically just smells like fresh laundry that just came out of the dryer, and a little bit kind of like Dove soap. It is the best thing to use if you just want something incredibly fresh. You don't want something that smells too much like vanilla or another scent. You just want something to get you through the day. This is the one you want. Also love that this makes my skin feel absolutely amazing. It has so many different kinds of oils and butters in this formula, but it somehow doesn't feel greasy on the skin at all. It says it has 7 different oils and butters. My skin literally drinks this up. The fact that it is so affordable is chef's kiss. I told you I was going to be showing you guys more stuff from Frenchie's line. They also make a Palo Santo Sage body lotion. So if you're going to get the body wash and you want to layer it with the body lotion, they got you covered. I also love using this to layer with a lot of my clean perfumes. It just completely changes the scent into something so much more elevated. You can also use the EOS Fresh and Cozy body lotion to layer with your clean perfumes, and it would be absolutely divine. If you don't want to wear perfumes for some reason, I recommend using a body lotion that has a similar scent to something you love, because it's going to still hydrate your skin, but it's not gonna have a crazy projection when it comes to scent. It's just going to make you smell clean and fresh. Another drugstore brand that I have been loving for years is Tree Hut, and their pink hibiscus body lotion is divine. It's just so beautiful. This just smells kind of like walking in a fresh flower garden at the start of spring. So if you love gentle florals or any perfume that has florals, you will love this body lotion. Again, you can use this to layer with your floral perfumes. It will send it into beast mode. Tree Hut is just honestly so underrated. Their prices are absolutely amazing. I just hope they never increase them. I love their body scrubs. I love their body washes. I also know that they have a shave oil, and I love the one that's in the Moroccan rose scent. Okay, now on to some of my favorite body mists that are super affordable. And speaking of Tree Hut and their Moroccan rose scent, they have it in a body mist. I think they just launched this recently, but this is just such a gorgeous rose scent that is still fresh at the same time. I know a lot of rose scents can be very in your face and almost too rosy and too floral, but not this one. This is one of those body mists that if you're going to school, if you're going to work, you're going to want to keep on you at all times because it's just so perfect to just freshen up throughout the day. A couple special shout outs to Bath & Body Works fragrance mists. I grew up going to Bath & Body Works. If I went to the mall, it was kind of like a non-negotiable that I had to enter in there, smell every single candle, and I would always walk out with at least one or two things. My favorite scent growing up was always either sweet pea or warm vanilla sugar. I was never a Japanese cherry blossom girly. And I don't know if you guys know this, but Bath & Body Works recently came out with fragrance mists that are very, very similar, aka dupes, of higher end luxury perfumes. So I'm going to show you guys a few that I absolutely love that I picked up the other day. I did a whole review of them over on my TikTok. Also, you guys, I post on TikTok every single day. If you want more daily content, make sure to go follow me on there. It's going to be at Alicia's Approach. Now, if you go to get these individually when there's not a sale going on, they are around $18.95. But because Bath & Body Works does a ton of sales, I am going to include them in this video because sometimes the price does end up being a lot less than $15 per bottle if you buy them during a sale. Okay, this one, it's called Covered in Roses. It smells exactly like my favorite perfume of all time, Delina by Perfumes de Marly. Exactly like this. This one has notes of ruby berries, sugared rosebuds, and blush amber. I'm gonna sneeze so hard I just know it, but it is such a dreamy scent. Oh my gosh. I will say, even though it smells exactly like this perfume, which is $300 to $400. I don't know about the quality of this. Personally, I will always prefer the higher end version because I feel like I know that this lasts on my skin for at least 12 hours. It projects. I've gotten compliments on it so many times in the last 2 years that I've had it. This one does last on the skin for a few hours, but you do have to touch it up because it's just a body mist. It's not a perfume. And I talked about this earlier, but Glossier You is one of my favorite perfumes too. It's a great everyday perfume. It's such a beautiful everyday scent. It's like a skin-like scent. It's musky, it's fresh, it's feminine, and Bath & Body Works managed to dupe it too. This one is called If You Musk, and I was actually so excited to get this. This one has notes of iris, pink pepper, and airy musk, just like Glossier You. This is one of those scents that if I had to choose a natural scent for myself, it would be this one because I want to be able to layer this perfume and this body mist with the actual body butter to see if it lasts a lot longer on the skin, but I had to stop myself. This is so gorgeous. 10 out of 10. I also bought a couple more that I will link in the description box as well. They have so many dupes of so many different fragrances that you have probably known or heard of. A couple more goodies I want to mention from Frenchie because I absolutely love them. And if you haven't already noticed, I've kind of gone in the order of the products you should be using in your shower and after your shower. So now it is time for body oils, and these are both from Frenchie, but I'm going to talk about this one first. It's the Cashmere Vanilla Body Oil. It just smells so yummy and so cozy, but it's not like a super sweet vanilla scent. It's just very cozy and rich. I love layering this on top of all of my vanilla perfumes. Again, perfume sandwich method, best way to make your perfumes last. Even if you're not layering this with perfumes, this just genuinely makes your skin feel so incredibly baby soft. And if you use it with this EOS Vanilla Cashmere Body Lotion, this is a power combination. They also have the same scents in their perfume oils. I don't have the Vanilla Cashmere perfume oil. I do want to grab it, but I have the Palo Santo Sage perfume oil. Give me anything with Palo Santo in it, okay? I have a hand wash downstairs in my kitchen with Palo Santo in it. That's how much I love this scent. I also feel like it's such a great scent for fall. For people who don't like gourmands and don't like vanilla, but you want to smell fresh and woody, this is it. It is a perfume oil, so all you have to do is apply it wherever you want to smell good. And it's so compact and tiny that it can fit into your purse or your book bag. Special shout out to Vaseline. They sent me a bunch of goodies, and oh my gosh, this has absolutely blown me away. This is $6. This is their all over body balm jelly stick. I'm gonna try to input a video here of me using it, but it literally gives you the most sun-kissed model glow. It makes you feel like you're walking on the red carpet. I love using it kind of on the collarbone area, on the chest area, if I'm wearing something that's kind of showing off this area more. You can use it to give yourself a little bit of a shoulder glow. I feel like it just looks so elegant, so classy. And there are so many body balms out there that are over $40 or $50. Now you don't have to spend that money. You can literally just grab this. Vaseline is saving lives. Also, I love how cute this is. They literally sent a bedazzled body balm. And that's it. Those are my current favorite 2024 body care products. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot more videos like this because I cannot get enough of body care and hygiene. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Also, if this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps me out as a new YouTuber. I really appreciate you guys watching this video and supporting. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.